Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare VOO versus FXAIX. So both got, the FX got lower expense ratio, both got similar number of holdings, both got similar dividend yield, also the same growth, volatility same 18%. Tech and everything is very similar on both sides. And like you have it like very similar, but here with the FX you have much lower expense ratio, so that's something that you have to be aware of. And that's pretty much it for both what you actually like need to know. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.